everyone, welcome to my channel Urvashi's World. The name of the bedtime story we're gonna read today is called Denslow's Three Bears. It was created and published by McClure Phillips, New York in 1901, and now it is available in public domain in the form of ebooks. Wasting no more time, let's enjoy listening to the bedtime story.
A very long time ago, in a cottage on the edge of a great forest, there lived a little girl by the name Goldenhair. She was an orphan and lived with her grandmother, who loved her dearly. The grandmother was very old, and so most of the housework was done by the Goldenhair. But she was so young and strong, she did not mind that a bit, for she had plenty of time to play and was merry the whole day long. Although little Goldenhair lived far from other children, she was never lonesome, for she had many friends and playmates in the wild creatures of the wood. The gentle, soft-eyed deer would feed from her hand, and the wild birds would come at her musical calls, for she knew their language and they loved them all. Goldenhair had never, ever wandered far into the forest, but one day in the early autumn time, as she was gathering bright-colored leaves and goldenrod, she strayed farther than she knew. Goldenhair is now lost in the woods, and she came upon a lonely gray cabin under the mighty trees. A slab of wood beside the half-open door told who lived within. It read, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and the Tiny Bear. So, this is where the jolly bears lived, said Goldenhair. As she knocked the door upon, I want to meet them. No answer came to her knocking, so she pushed the door wide open and she walked in. It was the most disorderly house Goldenhair had ever seen in her life, but a bright fire burned on the hearth, over which hung a big black kettle of bubbling soup, while on the table nearby were 3 yellow balls of different sizes. A big ball for Papa Bear, a medium-sized ball for Mama Bear, a little ball for the Tiny Bear, said Goldenhair. That soup smells so good, she went on to say. But, oh my, what an untidy house! I will clean it and put the things in place while I'm waiting for the bears to come. So she went to work to sweep and dust, and soon the room was in order. After cleaning their entire house, she went up to the bedroom of the 3 bears. She made up the 3 beds, the big one for Papa Bear, the medium size for Mama Bear, and the little one for the Tiny Bear. Very soon, the bedroom was super clean and neat as a pin. When, in bounds, the 3 jolly bears, for a moment the 3 bears stood speechless with wide open eyes, staring at Goldenhair, who stood like a ray of sunshine in the dusky room. Then they all burst into loud laughter, made her welcome to their home. When they saw how nice and clean the house was, they thanked her heartily and invited her to share their dinner. For the soup was now ready and they all were hungry. Golden Hair spent the rest of the day with the three jolly bears, playing Hi Spy and many new games which the bears taught her. When the afternoon sun was sinking in the west, the little girl said she must be getting home, for her grandmother would be worried about her. The three bears would not let her go alone, so they all set off together through the twilight woods. A merry company indeed. Golden Hair had a very good ride upon the broad back of Papa Bear, while Mama Bear and Tiny Bear walked gaily on the other side. In this way, before night had fallen, they came clear of the wood and up to the home of Golden Hair. To be sure, the grandmother was much surprised to see this shaggy company with a little golden hair, but when she saw how jolly all were and how handy they were in helping Golden Hair get the supper, she was delighted to have them stay and give them welcome. Papa Bear is a very strong bear. He went out, splits the wood, and he brought it in. And now he builds the fire, while on the other hand, Mama Bear is taking care of the kitchen. Mama Bear got the tea kettle and filled it with the water that was carried from the well by the tiny bear, and soon they were able to sit down to a good supper of hot biscuit, while honey and pumpkin pie with the tea for elders and nice sweet milk for the Golden Hair and the tiny bear. The grandmother liked the three bears so well, and the bears were so delighted with the comforts of home that they decided to live together for general good. Papa Bear would do the chores and would stand guard over the house at night. Golden Hair and grandmother have somebody now to take care of them. Mama Bear would do the housework under the direction of Golden Hair, while the tiny bear would wait upon grandmother and run errands for the households. And so it came about that the three bears moved their three bowls and their three beds to the home of Golden Hair and her grandmother the very next day, and from all accounts they are happy ever after. At any rate, the fame of Golden Hair and the three bears spread far and wide through all the countryside, so that on holidays troops of children came to play with the four jolly friends. The good-natured bears were always anxious to please the children. They would get up games under the greenwood trees in the summer and merry sports upon the icy lake or snowy hills in the winter. They did their best to make life for all one glad round of joy. Just how long they live, no one seems to know, for it was a long, long time ago and nothing is left but a joyous memory of a happy golden time. Thaina mamangayda jungle amada piktak tawa yum ama lairami. Yumduda nupi macha amaga mabokadang laiminarami. Nupi machadogi mamingsi golden hair kawi. Golden hair gidi mama papa, nene, kaka, tamo, dada, nanaw, kanam talaizade. Imong manunggi thabag inghang tawbada mateng pangbiningay kanam talaytabanina ma matomta yumgi kon phengi wai sitli wai tei phi sui jak thongi adubu wai haina magi mabokta nongmata complain tawde ngamnaba matomda honna jai. Golden hair di atopa angang dawna ay school chatpa phangdre aigi imanabi amatta laite haina warauba kanam tada laite. Imong manunggi thabak inghang suba nomba loirakanda magi pothapham magi sanapham si jungle da lairiba sa uchek se magi mamanabi oirami. Saji ga se magi makhutagi achapot chadoini uchek ka se pairaga maga sanamina doini sa uchek se amluna nungsina tawi golden hair di. Nakin thagi matamni unagi color change tarokpa matam green dagi yellow dagi maroon and brown oiraga kelakpa matamni. Nungtigi sa uchek ka sanaba dumaina ngasisu sanarami golden hair. Unagi machu se phajayena khunbi sanarengai damase ngasiti khanghaudana yumdagi lapthokna chatlamme. Golden hair se jungle la lamhangnare angang machani na mase kibana suloire lambenda sum lakpa kanda yumma ureema asi yum se kanagi oizano eng haktang pothaba yabra yengiena naksanna yengba kanda papa bear mama bear amadi tiny bear gi yum oilerame. Oh 3 bears ki manakta eng haktang pothaba yabra yengi hena kana lege na manas thong thille kanam ta khumakte mi kanam leita male phare ai heta manung changage na ma imung da change. Golden hair 3 bears ki yum manung change madi kada pura chai leramase ubada pura ngakre asuk chaiba kasibo ay amok phau udri kaino tawrise haina mase ko ngaure nakanda chapu achauba amada brong sauraga soup ama boil taw lerami table nakanda na bowl ahum soup lerami big bowl sina papa bear gi medium size bowl sina mama bear gi tiny bowl sina tiny bear gi duga pochai silai bak bakhada pom chai charaga disorganized oibasida mana ai la ingai sida phajana sito aga wai ga thato aga phajana poch khai se ma pachana thambiram ge 3 bears na yum halakpada harauzana ba haina ma somjit putho aga wai sit pa hogre. Golden hair 3 bears ki chai khai ba ka do zik sengdokpa sitokpa amadi pochai organize tawbolo silakle hojik bedroom tana chang ema. Bedroom sida 3 beds lairami. Big bed sina papa bear gi, medium size bed sina mama bear gi, tiny bear sina tiny bear gi. Bedroom sisu phiron mayam che khairaga lairami. Aduna golden hair na tamna phi sil oina thupaga organize tawraga phamung sibaw phajana loisan birami 3 bears ki. Three bears se yum hala e imung changak pakanda moi se pura ngakre mamet sangto khai ko yengi kanana no khoi yum se sengdo misina kana changino lapna lepa nupi sina kanano haina yengami. Golden hair ki mabuk phaba nature sida moi se pakoi na friends oira tinare harauna moi se nokminaraga ne 3 bears sina thank you golden hair nang nakhogi mot na laramba yum se sengdok pi bagi phajana organize taw bi bagi hairami nang su chak lamam gani akoi su chak lame pulamna akoi sup thaktok minarasi haina moi mari se sup thak minare sup thak palora kanda bear 3 bears na khangba makal gi nungai ga games mayam se golden hair tambiraga numet chupama golden hair se moi manakta sana laithoe. Golden hair di 3 bears ka nungai na sanarenga da matam thengjalak pase khanghaudre mana papa bear da mamjhalakadore ay yum tana chalhaurage na hairame. Papa bear na nangna chatkador balamben se jungle pharaga chatkadoini natomda chatpa se safe oide aduna akhoi ahum nang yum tana thanbige wadanaba agi nanganda tongkhalao hairaga papa bear mama bear amadi tiny bear moi ahumna golden hair se yum tana yaunaba tapna thendorami. Matam se thengzala ene kadai da laikhraba janu aigi issue golden hair se wakhan wana ngai lerame mabokna ngaktang lairaga golden hair amadi 3 bears se yum tana changak pase ure mabok se pura ngakre golden hair na lai se kanagano haina Adubu three bears sigi mabuk phaba mapau se ubada mabuk na hairami akhoi imung da changaga nena tana chaga thaga achapor ka chakhi ga dawni ko lao lao imung tana changa si mayam hairami Papa bear di masayang kanba bear nina ay singyalu rage jungle dagi na singjang puraga chatkhare uyalaga yumda mai thana ba pusalae aduga ma mai haukat khare so amarom dana mama bear na somda kitchen da changaga kari kari chana ba mayam ge sinlang sige haina hotna ba haugre kitchen da mama bear na chalon khatpa haugre ahan singina cha thakna ba biscuit pumpkin pie aduga golden hair ga tiny bear gina ahauba sangom semaga mayam pulapna phaminaraga chanaba sem saba haugre Papa bear na yumgi thabak ingkhang da mateng pangi nungdang oirakanda mayam tungrakanda mama bear tiny bear bobok golden hair moina nungai na phamung da tungrakanda Papa bear na ahing tumdagai yumse guard tawi Hujikti mama bear na kitchen gi thabak khaise loinamak senagre golden hair gi direction gi matungina yumda kadaida kari leige chakhum da chak thongba waisitpa wai taiba loinamak golden hair na amatta taudre mama bear na taking charge taugre hujikti mama bear and papa bear laibadagi achauba mating oire golden hair da nahan khaidi golden hair gi manakta saraningai mamanabi amatta lairamdabuda golden hair di hujik magi manakta three bears nungsi chanana nuaina leminai heba pause kairo lakai loin tanare aduna kalan chuti matamda kairo lakai gi angang singse golden hair amadi three bears ka sanabala ami three bears nasu angang na pamba makal ga games pulapna sanaminarami Winter season haurakle ingbana snow tabasu haurak angang na khwaidagi winter da nungaiba game se karino haradi snow na snowball thombi sanaba snowman saba amadi ice skating sanaba siniko aduna kairo lakai gi angang singse thick jackets mittens muffler loina sechelaga three bears and golden hair gi manakta snowball thombi sanaba snowman saba amadi ice skating tawbala ami Golden hair gi hujikti family mapung phare papa bear na magi papa mama bear na magi mama tiny bear na magi nanaw macha amadi mabuki achauwa mating oirami sumaina tawdana family ama oina moi nungai na nungsi chanan la reminagre ngasigi bedtime story Denslow three bears se taba nungai bra sumaina tawdana akhoi nungai ba wari pulapna tamina siko adodi mama papa na haiba ingadaba homework ka se haina dabida thuna ka tawtho uko aduga tumam daida bedtime story paba lepkanu adu hairaga mathang agi video da amuk unarasiko till then be safe and be nice to your parents